PickaForm allows you to connect to your workspace via the internet. There are several applications to easily manage different needs. In each application, you can enter information on forms. Input areas are editable to fit your needs perfectly. Thanks to these tailor-made forms, you can build your database and store all the information you want. Then simply choose how you want to organize this information. You can also add features to your forms, attach files, leave comments, generate a PDF document, participate in a workflow, or even connect forms to one another. For example, a contract form can be attached to a client form. Convenient, right? And of course, we can help you get started with your first project and make your life easier with PickaForm.